guys, I already opened the box of this, but I don't know if you guys can see that, but this carbon looks so good, which my fingerprints are on it a little bit because I've picked it up, but it's such good quality carbon. So guys, there's all these bolts right here, as you can see. You want to take every single one of those bolts out. They're all 10 millimeter, and they're all the way around it. So guys, for this bolt that you see right here that I'm pointing at, you're probably going to need a deep socket for it because of where it's at, and you need 10 millimeter on it too. So guys, these push pins that are right here, yeah, there's 3 push pins. There's 3 push pins here, and I took out the bolts first, but I would probably, after I've done this now, I've just now figured out I probably should have taken out the push pins first, but it doesn't really matter. It's just it kind of makes it easier because when you're trying to pop these out, you still have, you know, the bolts holding it in place, but as soon as these fly out, this thing's just gonna drop. So, but to get these off, you're gonna probably want to get a flathead screwdriver and pop them out. So, as you guys see, I just now dropped that clip, which it fell on the ground, but if you guys, I would recommend probably buying some more of these just because it's kind of necessary anyway. If you plan on working on your car more often, these will come in handy to have extras of these because I break them all the time, and I'm sure everybody else does, and I've seen people do it too. So they come in handy. So I will say to pop the little cover thingy off, like, it's kind of annoying, honestly. Like, it's not annoying, but like you kind of had to pull quite a bit of force to get it off. So there is that. But I got mine off, and as you guys can see, this color right here, that's like a white. And from where I'm guessing this is faded really bad. I'm thinking about taking this and painting it black. I'm gonna put it back on and see what it looks like with it on. But if I do not like the white and it kind of makes it look bad, then I'm gonna paint it black. So, whatever you do when you're taking these out, these are all 10 millimeter, which some of mine are missing. I think that happens in a lot of cars, honestly. But anyways, do not over tighten these bolts when you put them back in. And the new one comes with extra to put in all these spots. But do not over tighten these, like, do not. Because if you do, then there's a possible chance you will crack your new hood scoop. And we all know we do not want to do that, so. So for these little tabs right here, these little plastic things, I'm just going to take a needle nose pliers or something and squeeze it together so that this should slide right out when I put down the hood and try to pull it out. I just hope that this doesn't give me any trouble trying to get these out. Let's hope not. Because stuff like this can be a pain, I'm going to be honest. Especially if you're trying not to break it like me. Because, you know, what if I were to ever want to sell this hood scoop, right? The aftermarket ones. I do not plan on getting rid of this car, but what if I did? And I wanted this parted out or something, you know? So, if I'm not mistaken, I think maybe actually a lot of people just don't put back on the little plastic thing right here. I think they don't put that back on, honestly. So I think that's what the deal is here. But I'm trying to pop this loose. I'm not sure if I can get it to come loose, but I'm trying really hard. Seeing if I can get it. So I finally got these clips out. They're actually kind of, I mean, they're not aggravating to get out really. It's not that bad, but I got them out. And I'm gonna go ahead and set this to the side. Maybe I should just run this look for a little bit, guys, shouldn't I? I think it'll look good. So I'm just gonna clean this off. That way this new one's not sitting on this, all this junk. So I'm gonna wipe that off real quick. Guys, I don't know if you can see this good, but I'm like in love with this hood scoop. It actually just, to me here lately, the whole thing that this car has been missing is the front. Just kind of threw me off. It just sitting. I mean, the car looks good, obviously, but just the front kind of always threw me off lately, because the back of my car, since I got the spoiler extension, did my taillights, all that, the back looks extremely good, but the front just kind of slacked off a little bit. And this kind of fixed my issue right here. This is what I needed, and now I'm like really happy with the way it looks from the front. So now I'm probably gonna wash it and then take some pictures. But if you guys can tell me, do people leave the little shroud thingy, because I could have swore I've seen people that don't have the shroud on. And you guys tell me what you guys do, because I'm just curious, honestly. And I feel like without the shroud, then water might get in the intake when it's raining. But yet again, it may not, because I do not have the intake box. I just have an open intake, and I'm just not sure if it's gonna go in my intake or not, and I really don't want it to. So just, can you guys, if you're watching this video, please drop it down in the comments what people do, honestly, because it looks better without the shroud, in my opinion. But if I have to throw on the shroud, then I have to throw on the shroud. So I guess I'll do whatever I have to do. But that's gonna be it for today's video, guys. Thank you guys for watching. Just making sure to drop a like on this video, subscribe for more. And I know this was a short video, but hope you guys enjoyed it. Hope it helped you if you did get this hood scoop. I mean, it does come with instructions, but I mean, some guys like to be more hands-on than in seeing, reading, stuff like that. So alright guys, as I was sitting here editing this video, I was thinking I should probably add the pictures I went and took. They're already been posted on Instagram, and sorry for the late uploads, like what's been happening. It's mainly just because I've had trouble finding the time to edit, and I need to start forcing time to edit, because like I have many videos, some of my Instagram, and a lot of people have seen what I've already done to the car, but you guys are not going to see it for a few weeks if you only know through YouTube. So there is some goodies in some upcoming videos, but sorry for the late uploads, and I'm going to try to stick myself to at least one video a week schedule. I would love to do every other day, but I don't want to waste all my ideas, like video ideas, because like right now I'm going to have parts and stuff through the summer that I'm going to constantly be doing, but like when the winter time comes, like things are going to slack off, and that's when I got to be more creative. So that's pretty much it, but I'll go ahead and put the pictures that I took right here on the screen now, so you guys can look at them. That's pretty much it. Don't forget to stay positive. Peace out.